So my name is Dr. Jacob Dunn. I'm the director of the Behavioural Ecology Research Group here at Anglia Ruskin University in Cambridge. So we're all familiar with talking parrots, but nobody has ever heard a talking monkey or ape. And this is despite the fact that apes have been pretty successful at learning sign language. People have wondered for a long time why that might be, why they're not very good at learning new sounds and using speech sounds. The larynx and the vocal tract is very, very similar across all primates and across most mammals. So it doesn't seem to be the case that variation in their vocal anatomy is what's causing the difference. But for a long time, people have thought, and Darwin even said, that perhaps the brain is more important. So in this study, what we did was gather data on the number of different call sounds that are made by lots of different primate species. And we compared those to data on the architecture of the brain. What we found was that there was a positive relationship between the size of the vocal repertoire, the number of different sounds that a species makes, and the size of the cortical association areas of the brain. Now, these are areas of the brain that are important for advanced cognition and for voluntary control over behavior. We found also that apes in particular have very large cortical association areas and also particularly large hypoglossal nucleus. Now, the hypoglossal nucleus is really important in innervating and controlling the tongue. So what our results represent really are kind of a signature of how variation in the number of sounds that are produced across primates might relate to changes in the brain. And these provide a little bit of insight into the evolution over advanced and voluntary control over sound. And that's interesting in our primate cousins, and also hopefully can tell us a little bit about what might have happened during the evolution of our primate ancestors, eventually leading to the evolution of speech.